Welcome everybody. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the circle of fifths with a complete explanation on how it works. So let's go. Welcome everybody. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the circle of fifths. So I am going to start with a little explanation on how the circle of fifths works in the key around the keys. Okay, so we have here the key of C. So the first thing we have to know is going above, a fifth above. Okay, we are going to have the key of G, and we're going to find the first sharp, in this case F sharp. Okay, and if you move the same idea, the same scale, going up a fifth above, you are going to have the key of D sharp, D, with the key of C, the key of D, with F sharp and C sharp. Okay, then you can go above, for example, again, and you are going to find the key of A, and as you can see, you are going to have the next sharp you are going to find if G sharp. So you are going to find all these sharps in a circle of fifths in this way: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. Okay, in the same way, you can build another keys, the flat keys, going in the same way, going down a fifth below. For example, F major. So in this key you are going to find the key of F, the scale of F, and with the first flat, in this case B flat. Now you can add two flats, for example, okay, going down another fifth below. And you can find two flats, B flat, E flat, okay, in the key of B flat. Now you can have another key if you add another flat, in this case A flat, for example, and now we are in the key of E flat. Okay, we can add another one, in this case in the key of A flat. Okay, and in this way I have here, for example, B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. Okay, all of those flats going by the circle of fifths. Okay, second idea, you can study using the circle of fifths. Okay, for example, for studying voicings, lines, or any musical concept you would like to assimilate in a very proper way. Okay, for example, voicings. In this case, I'm gonna play the C dominant chord. Okay, in this C dominant chord, for example, I have my root third, B flat, okay, tension ninth, the fifth, and the root. And so if I like to study this chord properly, I'm gonna play the same idea over another keys, going by the circle of fifths. So for example, going to F, F7, the same idea. Okay, going to B flat. Okay, going to E flat 7. Okay, the same voicing, remember, the same construction. So you can assimilate, you can have a new scale, for example, and study a specific voicing, a specific line, for example. Okay, the last idea I want to show you is you can study, for example, progressions. 1 6 2 5, for example, one major, in this case C major, going to A minor. Okay, D minor 7, going to G7. Okay, we are in the key of C, and now let's try to do the same idea in the key of F. Okay, F major 7, going to D minor 7. Okay, G minor 7, the second chord. Okay, going to C7. Okay, going back to F major. Okay, so that's the idea. You can use the circle of fifths in many ways, and you can study a lot of things in contemporary music. Okay, very useful. Okay, leave a comment below this video. Remember to subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.